Our mini book today features Francy Fish. That's her name, Francy Fish. How can we tell that this is a name? That's right. If we look at the first letter, it starts with an uppercase, a capital F. That means that this is a name, Francy and Fish. And look, it has a blend at the beginning of Francy, Francy. And here's a digraph at the end of fish. The SH, remember, makes the sh sound. Francy Fish. That's what our book is about. One of the first words we're going to read today starts with this letter. What sound does it make? Yes. Fin. Fin. That says fin. You know what a fish fin is, right? Say that once more. Fin. Good. Here's our next word. Ooh, and look, it also starts with F. Say the sound. It says fun. Fun. That word is fun. And if I put the word fin above the word fun, what do you notice about these two words? They both start with an F and they both end with an N. The only thing that's different is the vowel in the middle, isn't it? This one is I, fin, and this one is fun. Fin, fun. Those will both be in the story. Here comes our next word. Are you ready? The first sound is what? P. Pal. 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 Do you remember what a pal is? Yeah, it's another word for friend. What if you have two friends? Then you would have two what? Two pals. You would add an S. This is one pal, and if you have more than one, it's pals. And our next word starts with what sound? D. Yes. D. I. Di. Dip. Dip. The word is dip. If you go swimming in a pool or in a lake, you might say to your mom, I'm going to take a dip in the water. Dip. Or another one would be, I would like a dip of vanilla on my ice cream cone. That's also a dip, isn't it? Next, we have a word that starts with H. It makes the h sound. Hang. This makes the ng sound. So we have hang. Hang. That's the word hang. Like I have to hang up my clothes on the hanger for my mom. Hang. Our next word is starting with a blend. Look at that. What do those two letters make together? Cr. Crab. Crab. You know what a crab is? Has pinchers, doesn't it? A crab likes to pinch. That's the word crab, and it has a blend at the beginning. This word also has a blend at the beginning. It starts the same as our other word with a k C sound, but instead of an now it has a ul. So instead of crab, it's cl. I wonder what vowel sound is going to be next. Here we go. What sound does that make? Ah, clam. Clam. Good, that says clam. A clam is like a little creature that lives in the water, and it has a shell that opens up, and it sometimes will have a pearl inside of it. That's a clam. Ooh, this one will be fun. Look, here we go. Clam. Ooh, it says clam. But I think there's more, because usually Mrs. Pettit underlines if there's a blend. I think there's another consonant coming. We have clamp. Clamp. A clamp is something that you use to fasten something to something else. Like your mom might go out to do the laundry and she will clamp the clothes on the clothesline with a clothespin. It clamps the cloth to the line. That is clamp. And now we have another blend. What sound do these two letters make together? Fr. Yes, this says fr. Frisk. Oh, look, I think we have another consonant hiding under here. It says frisk. Frisk. Good. Frisk. We'll learn about that when we read our story about Francy Fish. It's something that she likes to do in the water. In fact, another word that we're going to do is just like it, except we added an S on the end. Look, it says frisks. Frisks. It's kind of a playful word, frisks. We'll look for that in our mini book. And then we have another word with a blend. I'm going to move it and I want you to make the sounds. Okay, first make this. What is that word? Say it. Flip. Very good. It's like this. Flip. Flip. A flip is something you can do off the diving board. You can jump and turn around. That's a flip. Or if your mom makes pancakes for you, she will flip the pancakes. Turn them over so that both sides get done. That's the word flip. Here comes another word with a blend. I'm going to let you do this one by yourself. What do these two letters make? Make the sound. What does that word say? Swim. Very good. It's like this. Swim. Swim. We know what swim is, don't we? Francy Fish likes to swim too. This word tells us how Francy likes to swim. You ready? What sound is that? And then add that vowel sound. And then this blend. What is that word? Let's try it again. Fast. It says fast. Fast. Francy likes to swim fast. Now I'm going to show these words. I'm going to shuffle them up and you see if you can read them. like Francy fish. And I'm going to start with our big word, our big name of our character of our mini book. Her name is Francy Fish. Good. And this says fun. And this says clamp. And this says clam. And this says crab. And this says hang. Hang. And this says dip. And this says fin. This says fast. This says pals. This says swim. This says flip. This says frisk. And then if you put an S at the end of frisk, it says frisks. Those are the words that are going to be in our story. And the book looks like this. It says, let me make it a little bit bigger. There, how about that? Our book says, Francy swims and frisks. I think frisks is kind of another word for play. She frisks or plays. Try to read this by yourself. Francy fish can swim fast. Did you get it right? Good. Look at the bubbles behind her. Her tail is swishing. She frisks in the water and goes so fast. All right, here is page 2. Look at that picture. What's happening? Let's read it together. A crab and a clam clamp on Francy's fin. Oh my! Look at her fins. What do you see? Here's the crab. That's the word crab. And here is the clam. Right there. Read this for me once more. Very good. A crab and a clam clamp on Francy's fin. Ouch! Now let's look at page 3. Oh, look what's happening here. Do you remember this word? Hang. Good. This says hang on, crab. Hang on, clam. It's fun. I don't think it hurts her because she's taking crab and clam for a ride. Hang on, crab. Hang on, clam. It's fun. Look, there's an exclamation mark there. It's fun. And then our last page of the story. Oh, look. Francy looks like she's upside down, doesn't she? Let's read this carefully together. The pals swim and dip flip, and frisk. That is a long sentence. Look, there's the crab and the clam, and Francy is doing a flip in the water. Read this once more by yourself. Here we go. Good. The pals swim and dip, flip, and frisk. Now I want you to read it to your mom or your dad or your brother or sister or one of your pets. And after you're finished reading it, then you may color it. Have fun!